Hi, this is Anthony. I'm a technology specialist at Lexus of Smithtown, and today I'll be showing you how to activate your heated steering wheel, heated seats, and your Windsheild De-Icer in your 2013 to 2018 ES350. We'll start off with the heated steering wheel and heated seats. The dials for them are just underneath your heater controls. You'll see down here at the bottom. For your heated seats, just turn this dial over to the red side, and you'll see just to the right is your heated steering wheel button. With the heated steering wheel, it's only going to heat up the leather parts on either side of your wheel. And now for the Windshield De-Icer, all you have to do is down by the mouse is a menu button. We'll push that. We'll bring you to the menu screen. From here we're going to go into climate. You'll see at the top is an options button. Go ahead, push that. And just select your Windshield De-Icer. It's the top icon. Just keep in mind with the Windshield De-Icer, make sure your wipers are in the winter mode position. Just push them down all the way to the bottom and you're all set. If you have any questions, you can call us back at 631-360-3200 or you can email us at lts@lexus.com.